Okay. This is our new summer bling pack. With the little, oh, come on. The little palm tree. So cute. The little life ring. Okay. So today, using our summer pack, this is the paper we're going to be using. I think I'm going to just go with a canvas. I'm just going to use a canvas panel because we can pop that into a frame. We're ready to put it on here. Okay, I'm just going to cut this because we're going to frame this out with bling. Okay, so we're going to put her on there. We're going to be using, this is, I don't know if this is in my Amazon store or not, probably, but this is the AB crystals. We're going to line this. Oh, so cute. So first things first, we got to get this decoupage down. I am going to top coat this with some liquid patina. You can use your Pintart, and I am going to end up putting the glossy varnish, but I'm going to put this down first. Okay. Now, this is the, I wanted something on there. I wanted her to be saying something because, you know, we are going to be adding this little drink in her hand. So, y'all, I Googled, I've had a saying in my head, and I Googled it, and I ended up finding it, printing it, and then I just used, you know, just the lid of, you know, one of the bottles. But it says, drink in my hand, toes in the sand. And then I'm going to cut that out in a circle. So that's going to be, you know, that's going to be on here. Okay, look how cute that's going to be. Okay, look at this. The glasses fit, I mean, not absolutely perfectly, but fit enough to where so cute. And then and she just has that little tiny pop of the red coming out the sides, which I think is darling. I thought we would use a little flower and give her a necklace, and of course the drink in her hand. I'm gonna paint the back of that white. I don't want, you know, when we decoupage it, I don't want that green to come through, so I am gonna give this a coat of white paint. So I'm just gonna use our decoupage varnish and glue. I'm gonna come in let me just use this plate here. I just use a brush and get off any excess. Because, you know, the sun is hitting her hair. It's glistening like diamonds in the sunlight. Okay. Oh, yes. Yeah, we're gonna diamond dust her hair. Why not? Okay. So look, I love, love, love it. I'm thinking I could go ahead and get her glasses and her drink in her hand on there. So it has, thank you, Susie Lee. Okay, so we are going to add that B7000. I'm not bothered by it at all. Do you see? It's like, isn't she cute, Anna? Okay, so we're gonna get her drink in her hand. I don't want to move it because we only have B7000, but how cute is that drink in her hand? And then, of course, we painted the back of this so that green hopefully doesn't pop through. If it does, it's okay. But I did it in a circle to kind of like go with all the circles in the background. So let's go ahead. We can go ahead and get that decoupage on there. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and decoupage it just right on the back of the paper. So, drink in my hand, toes in the sand. Happy girl. She's a happy girl. All right. So we have, she's gonna need some jewelry. We have this little flower that we could add as her necklace. Or we could add it as her earring. Oh, y'all, I kind of like it on her ear. Look at the little, can y'all see the earring? Okay, that's cute. We're going to, well, she needs a bracelet over here. We're just gonna do some little rhinestones for her bracelet. All right, so I'm just using some of the little rhinestones, and we're gonna add it on her wrist. Try to show you her. Look at her little fancy earring. There's her bracelet. Check it out. Okay, we're gonna give her another blingy bracelet on this hand. All right, so this will be wide enough. So we'll probably go with this size on the side. And then, now there's 2 rolls of each size in this, and it's so sticky. That's not gonna be right. Okay. So, I want to leave a little teeny tiny bit because let's again, we figure out what frame we're going to be using. I hope I just cut that the right length. Okay. I always use a little bit of B7000 with my bling wrap just for a little extra something. Y'all, she's cute. Okay, you cannot see. Can you tell how sparkly she is? Here's some of my stickles. Yeah, this one's coming out. This one's working. Now I'm just gonna dry it for just a moment. So hopefully that doesn't run when I hold it up. Hold it up. But look, so we added the drink in my hand, toes in the sand. We used the new summer pack for her glasses, her drink, her earring, and of course the Rhinestone Applicator Kit, and gave her some bracelets. I think she's darling.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.